Hey guys, like I said in my first unboxing, I've ordered a few more figures, to be exactly 5. And the first one arrived a few days ago, and now the second arrived, and I know the third one is here in my hometown. But unfortunately, it's Saturday and I can't get it today or tomorrow. I can get it on Monday. And it sucks to wait. It literally sucks. But anyways, second unboxing, and because I've ordered 5, I really don't know which one it is this time. Let me swap hands. Sure. So, open it there. Oops. And open it there. So, yes. And now the right one again. Oh, smooth and easy. Whoop. Open it. Guess there's my name on it somewhere. You haven't seen it, but now I know which one is it. Oh my god. I like it. It's a huge box, and probably someone know which figure it is already. Anyways, unboxing is going on. Get away. Can you see it? No, you can't, because now some more people might know which figure it is. And I really like it. Oh yeah! That's the one of 2 I've waited the most for. Because I really like the series. I haven't seen the second season yet. But I will shortly. And a third one has been announced already. And to lift this little secret, it's Illyasviel von Einzbern from Fate Kaleid liner Prisma Illya. Wonderful anime. I'm really a lolly fan, and that's because I really like this figure. She comes with the second part of hands, or second hands, because normally you can buy her friend, oh, I don't remember her name right now, sorry, and her staff. So I need to open this one carefully, because I believe this one is a 100% original figure. Might be wrong, might be a bootleg again, but like I said in the first video, I don't really care. If it's made good, it is good enough for me. Oh yeah. The box aside. Something in it, I think. Yeah, I know. Don't really need this. Need to cut there. Carefully. Change hands again. Cut there. And somewhere in the bottom. Nope. Oh, sorry for my finger. Haven't seen it. Careful. One left. I don't need you anymore, sorry. I think I got it. Okay, sorry, need those hands maybe? Wow. So much noise! Okay. Timer on my cell phone ran out, so get her again. Really awesome. I really like her. Can't see anything wrong at the moment. I will put her on her base and I'll be back in a few seconds. Now she's able to stand on her own, and there's a little color mark, but I haven't seen anything else right now. Ruby looks fine, her hair is fine, everything else looks fine, feels right, and I guess I've got a lucky bit on this one. Don't know, remember how much exactly. I think it was around 30 euro, maybe, could be. So really cheap, and I love her so much. Look at her smile. Guess I'll start the second season today after I'm done with my work, and at one day I will unbox the next one. Maybe tomorrow, because sometimes you can get your packages even on Saturday, but I don't think so. So that's it for today again, and we will see us the next time.